Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we need to do is we need to generate nth Carol number. Okay, so we don't need to understand what it is. Basically, we've been given the formula directly over there, right? So we simply can do return directly, right? So 2 to the power. How would we use power in thing? Could do something like that thing does not work, right? In C. This does not work, I guess. This thing does not work. In my opinion, -2, right? It does not work. Like that. Let's run the code. I think it does not work. Oh, our result is 1. Let's just see. Power in C programming math. Okay, we will need to use the math library to do it, huh? Mhm. Yeah, math library has it. So let's just do that. Let's just use math directly, right? Somewhere over here. Let's do hashtag include uh, math dot h, right, and we will use the power function from it. So power, and then it takes in what base is 2, and then the power is n. Right, so similarly over here it has to be something like that, right? So it has to be power is 2, so base will be whatever comes out of it, whatever the result of this thing is, right? So whatever is inside the parentheses. Let's just run it. Yay, works. Submit. Any unique solution? Let's check that as well. Pretty much same. Mm-hmm. What is this guy doing? Just using recursion. Okay. Okay, someone is doing something else. So it's just power thing that you can use basically, right? So this will be the optimal solution, I guess. Right. So yeah, that's how we can solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.